Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create Instagram highlights. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, go to your archive. And in here, you will find your stories archive. Just head over to any story of which you want to create a highlight of. Suppose I want to highlight of this one. And here you will find the option of highlight on the bottom right corner. Just tap on highlight and just tap on the plus icon and then name your highlight. I'm naming it birthday and tap on add. So if you go back to your profile, you will find this new highlight that is made. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.